My name is Nathan Hunter, and I'm super excited to be partnering with New York City Mushroom Network today. Sydney and Joa are our two facilitators, and I'm going to hand the mic over to them in a minute to intro us. But I just wanted to thank everyone for coming out to Concrete Plant Park today and committing their Saturday to lending their hand in planting or mushroom log inoculation.
Hello, my name is Sneha Ganguly. I'm here representing the NYC Mushroom Network. We are kicking off the spring season with our first mushroom log inoculation workshop, and we're partnering with the Bronx River Foodway. We are really excited to be here because it's one of the only sites that allows and permits foraging, recognized food forest by the Parks Department. What we're doing is we culled logs from our urban forest, and we're upcycling those logs, and we're plugging them with mushroom spawn that was locally cultivated, and we are engaging in this urban agroforestry practice.
Hi, my name is Joanna Borrero. I'm part of the MushNet and also co-chair for the Foodway here in the Bronx. This grant has come through City Parks Foundation. We're here to inoculate some logs with 3 different types of strains. We have blue oyster, shiitake, and lion's mane. We have 2 types of hardwood available today. We have red oak and mulberry. The first station would be drilling of holes in a diamond pattern, staggered. This next station is for spawn. The bowl would have spawn in it. We inoculate with our tool called inoculation tool. We fill everything here. This last part is where we seal the logs with wax. It could be a mix of paraffin, beeswax, and or cheese wax.
This is a really special workshop that was funded by the City Parks Foundation Grassroots grant. We're really excited to partner with parks institutions here in New York City. If you want to connect with us, you can find us on Instagram at NYC Mushroom Network. We also have a new website at www.nycmushroomnetwork.com.